What's up, guys? It's Lucas. So I'm bringing you another one of my short videos, another additional tidbit to help you transcend into the 5D realm of existence. I'm going to go over consumption today about food. Because our spirit dwells inside of our body is basically an antenna that picks up the spirit, and then we can either function through the spirit or we can function through the body. And when you're serving your highest purpose, it's usually best to function through the spirit. However, if your antenna's broken or not functioning properly, guess what? The spirit cannot come through and give you good messages because the antenna is not in the right place, if that makes sense. God, I love having cats. And so I'm going to discuss a little bit about digestion and food. The food that we consume, should be organic, non-GMO, stuff that comes from the earth. The earth gives us so much medicine through its food and plant-based diets. Now, beyond eating the right things and giving your body proper nutrition through that, also, how we eat is so important. Let me tell you something. For years, I was a stuffer. I would put it in, take 3 bites, and then swallow it. I got told by so many people I dated, God, you eat so fast. And over the last several years, I've really been working on how I consume food. When we put food into our mouths and we chew it all the way, we're supposed to chew it until it's basically like a squishy liquid form. Several things happen. Your teeth break the food up into smaller particles, which makes it easier to digest. Second, your saliva also breaks it down with a bit of acidity, and that way when it reaches the stomach after it travels through the esophagus, it's that much less work on your stomach, which makes it less work on your intestines, and by the time it reaches the bottom, it's fully digested. It's really important that we do that we chew it down to help the molecular structure of the food be fully consumed by our bodies. And so that's my little tidbit today. Chewing your food all the way really helps. And also, just one more thing about that. When we chew our food, the more we bite down, the more signals get sent to our brain that go, hey, I'm eating lots of food. And then guess what? We eat less. And as someone who does not prescribe to the given diet by society, I have loads of energy, and I eat like about a half of what the standard diet is. And so most of my food is plant-based, and so about 90% of my food is just plants. I love eating plants and herbs and roots, and it's amazing. And so as we transcend into the 5th dimensional state of being, guess what? What we consume is important. Think about it. Chew it, eat it, digest it, love it, be it. L to the 5th.